chin. I is for imp with a crooked hat. J is for jack-o'-lantern chasing a cat. K is for kraken with tentacle flair. L is for laughter that floats in the air. M is for mommy wrapped up tight. N is for night with a ghostly light. O is for ogre who loves to dance. P is for potion that puts you in trance. Q is for quiver when zombies appear. R is for raven whispering near. S is for skeleton shaking with glee. T is for troll hiding behind a tree. U is for underworld spooky and deep. V is for vampire who never sleeps. W is for witch with a magical spell. X is for X-ray of a monster yell. Y is for yeti with a pumpkin pie. Z is for zombie waving goodbye.